Welcome to the company presentation of Endeavour Silver at Commodity TV. Endeavour Silver is a mid-tier silver gold producer and produces from 3 mines in Mexico. The company is listed on the TSX under the symbol EDR and on the NYSE in New York under the symbol EXK. The company produced above plan in Q3 2016 with 1.2 million ounces silver and 14,300 ounces gold, which is equal to 2.4 million ounces silver equivalent. Endeavour increased the production guidance to 5.5 to 6 million ounces silver, 49,000 to 54,000 ounces gold, and 9 to 9.8 million ounces silver equivalent for 2016. They also strengthened the balance sheet, generated an operating free cash flow, and raised $14 million in an ATM equity financing. Endeavour invested in their future again by increasing the exploration and the capital budgets by 54% to $17.4 million and the exploration by 400% to $10.1 million. They acquired the Parral properties, which is a large property in the Parral district with 32 million historic ounces silver resource. It has the potential to grow by exploration, consolidation and development. They also identified new Terronera veins with 9 new veins assay up to 2,880 grams silver per ton and 26.7 grams gold per ton. The updated resources and PFS shall be presented by end of 2016 with a production decision in 2017. Since 2004 had the company organic growth in their resources and reserves now to 1 million ounces gold and 125 million ounces silver, which yields to 195 million ounces silver equivalent, despite they are producing already over 13 years. Even more important is the reduction of the cash costs and all-in sustaining costs by 50% over the last 2 years, with now AISC around $11 to $12 per ounce silver. Since 2013 has Endeavour Silver always beaten their cost guidance and their production guidance. Despite this, Endeavour is valued still low in comparison with their peers and in relation to the enterprise value per ounce and by the production. All mines have a perfect infrastructure, good local workforce, power and water. Let's start with the first mine, Rohstoff-TV. Located in Durango in Mexico, has the property a size of 4,100 hectares with a plant capacity of 1,200 tons per day. 2015, they brought the operating costs down by 18% on a yearly basis. In 2016 is the goal a steady production and costs also. For 2016, they plan 3.4 to 3.7 million ounces silver equivalent production. At Bolañitos, the second mine located in Guanajuato, has the property approximately 2,500 hectares with a plant capacity of 1,600 tons per day. In 2016 is the goal to reduce the AISC and to extend the mine life. The revised guidance for 2016 is at 2.6 to 2.8 million ounces silver equivalent. In Q3 2016, produced Endeavour with negative AISC of $6 per ounce. El Cubo is the third mine and it is the second mine in the Guanajuato district. The property has approximately 8,144 hectares with a plant capacity of 1,500 tons per day with a great future potential on a prospective district with 16 targets over 9 kilometers. A highlight was the mine expansion to 2,200 tons per day in 2015. In 2016, they want to generate free cash flow and test a laser ore sorting system, which should reduce then, if successful, the costs further down. El Cubo produces below $12 per ounce with a falling trend. Let's talk about the future production opportunities. Endeavour bought the El Compas mine and production facility, which is now the near-term high-grade production opportunity. They paid only $6.7 million in shares and received a large property with 3,990 hectares in one of the major districts in Zacatecas. The property is well located adjacent to a city with excellent road access, grid power, water, labor and services. Through the historic production, they have small shafts and ramps with high-grade ores and historic grades of 6 grams gold per ton, 60 grams silver per ton in 2 main veins. The metallurgy is excellent with historic test recoveries with over 86% gold and over 65% with silver. There is potential in the exploration with multiple targets, consolidation potential with additional properties and production potential with a recent historic resource a mine permitted, a 500 ton per day plant leased for 10 years, and a near-term production historically smaller than 1 year, but with over 1.2 million ounces silver equivalent per year. And, of course, a low capex with historic estimations below $10 million. Endeavour will deliver a PEA by year-end 2016 for a production decision in early 2017 and a commercial production in late 2017 then. In the development phase is the Terronera project, and the PFS is underway. Endeavour has a 100% interest in approximately 6,100 hectares. The property has 4 large silver-gold vein systems, each 3 kilometers long, and covers more than 50 small historic mines on more than 20 separate veins. The company drilled 46,000 meters in 150 holes to delineate the Terronera discovery. The 2015 resource estimate showed already an indicated resource with almost 20 million ounces silver and 156,000 ounces gold, and in the inferred category they found 8.5 million ounces silver and 54,400 ounces gold. Still in the exploration mode is the Parral property, but this has production potential in the future too. The historic resource stands at 32 million ounces silver in 3 zones with grades of 249 grams silver per ton. Endeavour is not treating the historic resource as current and has not verified it and is not relying on it. The virgin zone Remedio, Argentina, contains 15 million ounces silver with grades of 300 grams silver per ton and an average thickness of 5 meters. Aside the future exploration potential, there is a near-term production potential scenario through verifying the historic resource and lease the nearby 500 tons per day plant. There will be positive synergies with Endeavour's existing Parral silver, gold, lead, zinc resources, which stand at indicated 1.6 million tons at 49 grams silver, 0.9 grams gold and 5.73% lead zinc, and in the inferred at 1.3 million tons with 63 grams silver, 0.88 grams gold and 4.83 lead zinc per ton. What are the goals for end of 16 and also for 2017? Endeavour wants to meet the new production guidance of 9 to 9.8 million ounces silver equivalent for 2016 and reduce the AISC for the 4th consecutive year to maybe 12 to 13 ounces dollar per ounce. In addition, they want to develop the new SCS mine at Guanachiví and the new Plateros ore body at Bolanitos as well. They want to increase the mine production at Acubo back to the 1,500 tons per day capacity. At Terronera, Endeavour wants to update the drill results, resource estimate, complete the pre-feasibility study and explore multiple new veins to expand the resource potential. At El Compass, they will update the drill results, resource estimate, complete preliminary economic assessment and consolidate the land holdings in the district. Finally, they will update the Parral drill results, resource estimate, evaluate lease and on a local plant and consolidate the holdings in the district too. A growing production through organic growth as well through accretive mergers and acquisitions makes sense in this market and is wisely invested money. And to extend the mine lives with aggressive brownfields exploration brings the company even further. Endeavour is perfectly set up to benefit from hopefully rising silver and gold prices in the future. Check it out. Thanks for watching us. Merry Christmas. Bye bye from Munich.